Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
A very good morning to all of you. A very warm welcome to state-wide level BMC channel, which is organized by MCGM Education Department. Okay, students, very first I'm going to show you some objects you have to identify. Which shape is this?
Circle.
Circle. Very good. This?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. This?
Square.
Square. Very good. And this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. This is all kind of shapes. Now, today we are going to learn about the shapes. I'll start my sharing screen.
Teacher.
Okay, students. Now, today we are going to learn about the
Shapes.
introducing shapes. Now, you can see here, so many shapes are there. So many shapes are there, okay? You can see rectangle, triangle, circle, oval, and square. Now, which shape is this?
Circle.
Circle. Circle. It has no side, no corners. This is a circle. Now, there are some examples. A circle like a wheel and a ring. You can get this in circle shape. Some more examples like clock, dish, bangles, wheels, and coins in circle shape. Now, this is a half circle. It's called an semicircle. What it called?
Moon.
Semicircle. Some examples are like watermelon and hand fan. Semicircle examples. Next is move on the square. This is a square. It had a 4 sides and 4 corners. You can see these 4 sides are equal in shape, measurement, and these 4 corners you can see. Okay. Next, for example of a square is carom board and handkerchief. Next, square. Some more examples like our bread, photo frame, chessboard, carom board, and this is an frame also.
Triangle.
Next, move on. Triangle. Hello.
Yes,
Which shape is
teacher.
this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Triangle having a 3 sides and 3 corners. These 3 sides you can see in this picture. But in there, this triangle, can be a different types of shapes. Like this. Now, for example, triangle, that is a piece of a sandwich and a slice of a pizza. Some more examples like a piece of a cake. This is pyramid, ice cream cone, and a Christmas tree. Next is move on rectangle. There are opposite sides of rectangles are same.
Eraser.
You can see here. Okay, and it's also having a 4 corners, that is an rectangle. For example of door and blackboard. Some more examples are like our blackboard, our cushion cover or cushion, television, and frames also. Now next shape is oval shape.
Oval shape.
Oval shape, and its examples are like egg, kiwi, turtle shell, and a rugby ball.
And rugby ball.
Okay. Now let's solve this. Okay. Tick the object with the circle shape. Which is the circle shape? Ball. Very good. Next. Again ball. Is it right?
Watermelon.
This is a rugby ball. Next. Watermelon. Very good. And this large one, golf ball. Okay, next. Tick the object with the square shape. Second one. Identify which is the square shape. Second one is your crunchy biscuits. And the next one is a clock. Now, next. Tick the objects with the triangles. Identify the triangles. A signboard, a piece of a cake, and anger. Next. Sort the shapes, count by writing this. Now you have to identify how many shapes are there. Now, first they are asking oval shapes. How many oval shapes are there? How many oval shapes are there? 4. Okay, there are 4 oval shapes. Very good. Next, how many rectangles are there? Does it have any rectangles?
6.
No. So 3, it's having a 0. It's asking about rectangle, not a square. Next is, how many circles are there?
5.
5 circles. Very good. Okay, how many triangles are there?
2, 3, 4, 5.
1.
Triangle.
1. How? How many?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 triangles are there. Okay. You can see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 triangles are there. Very good. Next. Now this is color the boxes to match the number of the shapes. Okay. For example, it's had green. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rectangles are there, so they are colored with the 6 boxes. Now next is they are asking circles. How many circles are there? Hello, how many circles are there? 6. So we have to color 6 boxes. Okay. How many triangles are there?
7.
1, 1, 2, 3,
7.
4, 5, 6, 7. 7 triangles are there, so we have to color 7
3, 4, 5.
squares. Okay, thank you. Now, for checking your knowledge, we start with this, a live worksheet. Okay, place the shape on the correct matching shape. Now, first is rectangle. You have to match it. This blue one here, like this. Okay, next, triangle. Where is the triangle?
Last. 3 number. Last. 2. 3 number.
Yes, number 3. Number 3, very good. Next, star.
Number 2.
Number 2 star, very good. Now next, square.
Number 2.
Number 2, very good. Very good. Circle.
Number 2.
Again number 2 circle, very good. Now last is heart shape. Number 2, very good students. Very well answered. Okay, have you understood today's lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now you have to draw a shapes and relate it with the one objects. Okay?
I'll draw one shapes.
Okay, now have you liked my lesson? Have you understood the lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. If you like my lesson, then,
Yes, very
then
much.
thank you. Then do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.